I want to start today's video by taking a little poll from the audience. How many of you out there who own an Apple Watch has found that your watch randomly goes off, telling you that you've closed one of your fitness rings when you're not really doing anything? If that does happen to you, it may be an indication that you need to recalibrate your Apple Watch's motion data. Either that, or you need to switch to decaf. Coming up next on Tech Talk America. Hey folks, and welcome to another short and sweet tutorial video. Today I'm going to teach you how to recalibrate the motion data on your Apple Watch. Let's start by wiping out the old calibration data. On your iPhone, I want you to open up the Apple Watch. Then we're going to tap on where it says Privacy, and finally tap right here where it says Reset Calibration Data. There are two other settings on your iPhone that I now want you to verify just to make sure that they are in fact enabled. So on your iPhone, I want you to open up Settings and then tap on where it says Privacy. Now, I want you to tap on where it says Location Services and just make sure that that feature right there is enabled. Next, I want you to scroll all the way down to the very bottom of that list and tap on where it says System Services. And finally, make sure Motion Calibration is turned on. Now all you need to do is open up the fitness app on your Apple Watch and start an outdoor walk, which you'll want to do for at least 20 minutes. Now, one thing you do want to keep in mind when you go to do this is you really want to make sure that you keep your phone in your pocket during this walk and make sure that your hands are free by your side. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please take a quick moment and hit that thumbs up like button. Leave me a comment down below, and if you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that little bell icon for notifications. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. This is David A. Cox with Tech Talk America. Class dismissed.